Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to add VPN connection to your Windows PC manually without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is come down below right here. Go ahead and look for your start menu, right click on it, and then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you click on settings. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on network and internet. The next thing you want to do is scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on add, connect, manage VPN. Click on that. And the next thing you want to do is going to take you right here, VPN connection. Go ahead and click on add right here. Then inbuilt Windows VPN. Go ahead and enter the connection name of your provider. Then enter the server name or address by your provider. Then go ahead and choose your protocol server of your provider, that is VPN type. So there must be any of them that is matched this particular protocol server right here. Go ahead and select on it. Once you select on it, then go ahead and use that smart card, one-time password or certificate. And once you enter this, then you can simply click on any of the options right here, whether smart card or one-time password. Then once you are done and set up everything, then come down below right here and hit on save. And the VPN is going to be connected on your Windows PC without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.